remember, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law and will be recorded. You are being recorded, I have to tell you that, like at the beginning of those phone calls, where they tell you that. All right, lesson 57, addition of algebraic expressions with negative exponents. So many words in there that we need to understand before we even start. So many words to be defined. Addition, okay, we're all on the same page with that, hopefully. Yes, good. Algebraic means we're using some variables. Expressions. What is the difference between an expression and an equation?
An equation has an equal sign
There
at
you
the
go.
end.
Yes. Okay, equation we're working to solve. An expression we're working to also has an S.
Simplify.
Simplify. Yes. And I'm going to go back over this video and just do different filters to change Angelina's voice so it sounds like lots of people are answering. Okay. Expressions, negative. We're familiar with that. It's the opposite of positive. And exponents. What are exponents? And now you can see it, right? It's that little number. All right. So let's get started. Let's just jump right in. Addition, if I write this out, it's going to take so much time, of algebraic expressions with negative exponents. What is happening? Oh my gosh, there's a train coming through. Okay, just so much editing. It's gonna have to be done with this video. Everything was fine in Algebra 2. Algebra 1, everything's going downhill.
You're the one who wanted me to bring me.
So, filter out back talk. Okay. All right. You all look older. Do you feel older, more mature, more knowledgeable in your pursuit of math? Okay. Okay, here's the original expression. Then we're going to write this in a new form. We're going to write this with all of the exponents positive. So that means something has to be moved.
What lesson are you on?
Oh, yeah. I know what I'll do. I'll write it on the board so you don't have to ask me
What
that.
is that?
You're more gracious than I, Ethan. Okay, so which one of these variables is in the wrong place? X or A? That's because it has a negative exponent. Okay, there's two places in a number. It can either be the numerator or denominator. Either there's an imaginary or an invisible denominator here, but it's there. Okay, so that means we need to move the x to the denominator and the y to the denominator. So our new form looks like this. A, still there in the numerator, and x to the 1. Do we need to put a 1 here? No. Minus b over y squared. Once you move that variable to the proper place, now the exponent is positive. Okay, now the directions say add them. Did this bother anybody else if you were trying to do them? Why would you say add when it's subtract? But you're adding, right, this negative number or expression. Okay, add means combine. We're going to combine them. Can we combine these? No. What is keeping us from being able to combine these?
Same. Yeah.
They do not have like denominators, so we need like denominators. Well, okay, what is this one lacking? A y squared, right? Whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. What does this one need now? An x. Again, whatever you do to the denominator, you have to, and by do I mean multiply. So now I have a new expression, and my denominator, I can just use 1 my new like denominator. I'm gonna just do it in alphabetical order because it just makes me feel better. XY squared. And this becomes AY squared minus AX. Ta-da! Isn't that nice? B. We have, now it's gonna get a little more involved. I feel like I said involved instead of complicated, because I don't wanna hurt your ambition. Did it work? No. I'm glad. Alright, that is my original expression, or the original form. What's my new form going to look like? So I have to move a few things, right? This guy. So my new fractions will say what, Gavin? What? This-
They'll be positive.
Okay, so I'm gonna have x over,
A3 and Y1. There's Y.
good, minus,
B over X2.
to combine these, I need like denominators. So what should I multiply by this one?
You multiplying you're multiplying the X over you're just cross multiplying.
I want to get like denominators. What is my like denominator going to be?
Your like denominator is going to be A cubed X squared Y.
Right. So what does this one need?
What does that one need? That one needs the X squared, so you're gonna add that to both the top
Multiply?
one. Yep.
And then this one needs,
The A cubed Y.
so my new denominator is a cubed x squared y, and then we get x squared times x. Remember when we're multiplying like bases, we, what, everybody? Add the exponents, so I get x cubed minus just a cubed by. And that's your final answer. That is actually simplified. Doesn't that seem simple? Good. Glad you agree. All right. Now, Angelina, when I go like this,